Now your eyewitness weather forecast. Named WeatherRate's most accurate forecast since 2008.
Good morning. If you're not the biggest fans of the heat and the humidity, the next couple of days really are not going to be the best for you. The heat's here, the humidity, it's going to stick around. Let's look at our temperatures to end the morning. In some spots are well into the 80s. Selinsgrove at 84, Pottsville 81, Mount Pocono still in the 70s at 77, and Wilkes-Barre, Scranton coming in at 79. Dew points are into the 70s, the lower to the mid 70s. Now, when we start talking dew points in the 70s, it's feeling more tropical than it even is muggy. So it probably is going to feel more like you're in Florida than northeastern and central Pennsylvania, or if you're just in the Caribbean, you're going to notice it today is the thing that you should take away from that. 81 now in Trevorton with our weather bug camera. The wind out of the northwest at about 2 miles per hour. A lot of fog to start off the morning, but since then it has burned off. And look, plenty of sunshine to go around. Now, clouds are mixing in with the sun, and here in South Williamsport, you can sort of see that. The clouds, but some peaks of blue sky. The temperature at 82, but factor in the humidity, and it feels like 88 already. Remember, it's not even noon yet. Imagine what those numbers will look like a little bit later. Broadheadsville, Pleasant Valley Middle School at 80. Factor in the humidity, though, and it feels a little bit more like 84 to end the morning. Our satellite and radar in parts of the northern tier and near the valley cities, near Scranton, up near Carbondale and Benton Township, Montrose down through Tunkhannock, just showing some clouds mixing in with some sunshine. The wider view is just going to show the same exact thing. This picture is going to end up looking a little bit different through the day today. You're going to want to keep an eye to the sky later this afternoon and closer to this evening for a shower or thunderstorm that will try to roll through. But the bigger story is actually just going to be those temperatures. And over the next couple of hours, they're going to be in the upper 80s and into the lower 90s for that high temperature. This is without factoring in the humidity. Once you factor in the humidity, heat index values are going to be everywhere from the mid to the upper 90s to even near 100 degrees today. So it's going to be hot. It's going to be muggy. And if you're outside, you want to make sure you're staying hydrated. By tomorrow morning, as you're waking up, temperature's only down to near 70, and it's still going to be rather muggy. So it's probably not going to be the best night for sleeping. This is probably an AC kind of night. As far as the heat goes for today, it looks like record-tying, if not record-breaking heat. The high today, forecasted high of 92 for Wilkes-Barre and Scranton, should tie that record of 92, set back all the way in 1959. Williamsport at 92 as well, should tie the record set back in 2015. And Mount Pocono coming in at 84 today, should tie the record set back in 1945. All that without factoring in the humidity, remember. And dew points today fall right around 70, so that's downright oppressive. Tomorrow it's going to get better. Not by much, though. Watch what happens. Dew points do take a fall into the mid-60s, so it's still going to be quite muggy. It's not going to be overly oppressive through tomorrow afternoon, but you certainly still are going to notice it, but there will be at least a little bit of change. For the fair forecast today, the Luzerne County Fair by 12 o'clock, 82 and partly sunny. By 4 o'clock, near 90. It's hot, it's humid, a little bit of a breeze, but that's really not going to help. At that point, you're just blowing around hot air. By 8 o'clock this evening, a shower or thunderstorm. Everything looks pretty unorganized, though, going through the day today. Hot and humid in the eyewitness weather forecast. Very late shower or thunderstorm at 92 for the high. Down in the 70s tonight. Rough night for sleeping. It's warm, muggy with a leftover shower or storm. Little bit of relief from the heat, you could say. 88 tomorrow. Clouds and sunshine back near 90 Saturday ahead of a cold front that fires off showers and storms very late Saturday and into Saturday night. Big temperature drops Sunday and into next week. And the Eyewitness Weather app can always be downloaded on your phones and tablets for the latest updates on your weather. The forecast always available for you at pahomepage.com.